Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Mentor, my YouTube channel, a social media unit of Reddy classes, the Academy of Mathematics. I am Reddy, your video tutor. पिछले दिनों हमने क्लास 10 के कई सारे वीडियोस डाले हैं, आप उनका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में देख सकते हो। सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स हमने स्टार्ट किया पिछला वीडियो में, मैंने 6.2 NCERT से कराई, वेयर द इजी क्वेश्चंस एंड द डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस वेर मिक्स्ड। अब से हम लोग ने ये सोचा है कि 2 वीडियोस बनाया करेंगे, एक में बेसिक क्वेश्चंस यानी NCERT के वो क्वेश्चंस जो इजीली समझ में आ जाए फर्स्ट राउंड में, एंड उसी समय सेकेंड वीडियो प्लेस करेंगे हम लोग, यानी 2 वीडियोस पुटअप करेंगे एक साथ। सेकेंड वीडियो में हम लोग डिफ़िकल्ट क्वेश्चंस और NCERT के डिफ़िकल्ट और एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस के 2 क्वेश्चन पुटअप करेंगे। इससे स्टूडेंट्स को पिकअप करने में आसानी होगी, आपका टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होगा। पहली वीडियो से आप कॉन्सेप्ट समझ लोगे और सेकेंड वीडियो से आपको उस टॉपिक का डेप्थ और अच्छे से मिलेगा। तो आपके पास अब से चॉइस हुआ करेगी कि विच वीडियो यू हैव टू सी। ठीक है, आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं, प्रोसीड। Similar triangles 6.3 we have discussed in the previous video that similar triangles may have a different kind of shapes where A, B, C and D, E, F. The shape must be similar. Shape must be similar. Size may vary. Shape same. Shape जो होगा वो same मतलब similar होनी चाहिए, है ना? और साइज में वैरी, साइज वैरी हो सकती है। नाउ हियर वी विल डिस्कस, टुडे वी विल डिस्कस 3 theorems which will be applicable to the coming questions. First of all 6.3 में first of all 6.3 what it deals with, that if angles of 2 triangles are equal, suppose there are 2 triangles where the angles are equal, like that angle A जो है angle D के equal है, angle B angle E के equal है, angle C angle F के equal है। or you can say if 2 angles are equal, 2 triangles के 2 angles are equal, then you can apply by angle similarity, angle criteria of similarity. We can say the 2 triangles are similar, ABC is similar to DF. ABC, the order must be taken care while you write the second triangle. The vertices must be in the same order which are equal to the corresponding angles of the first one. Okay, तो ये चीज का आपको ध्यान रखना है। लेट्स गो। तो मैंने ये कहा, देन एक और बात हम कह सकते हैं, रेशियो ऑफ द 2 साइड्स AB बाई DE, ठीक है, AC बाई DF एंड BC अपॉन में EF. यू कैन से द CPST मीन्स similar part of congruent part of similar triangle. So in that way the topic can be discussed and proceed. यानी 2 एंगल एक ट्रायंगल के किसी दूसरे ट्रायंगल के 2 एंगल के इक्वल हो जाएं तो वो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हो जाएगा, ये 6.3 कहता है। नाउ कम टू द 6.4, व्हाट इट डील्स विद दैट। 6.4 में इफ द साइड्स आर इन proportion, sides of one triangle are in proportion with the sides of other triangle, okay, that is AB upon में DE, then AC upon में DF and BC upon में EF. If it is there, ठीक है, then we can say then by SSS criteria we can say SSS criteria we can say the triangles are similar. Okay, the triangles are similar, then you can say the angles are also equal. Like that. They are just converse of each other. Okay. These two we have seen. Now come to the 6.5. 6.5 में what we can see that suppose करो कि if two sides of any triangle is proportionate to the two sides of other triangle, that is AB by AC, means suppose like this, I am drawing again a new figure A, B, C and D, E, F. Suppose these two sides ka ratio and the ratio of these two sides are equal, D by DF. And one more thing, the sides, the angle which contain these two sides, the proportion of which is given. ओके यानी ये दोनों साइड उसके बीच का एंगल के बारे में अगर हम डिस्कस करें, इफ दे आर इक्वल देन दिस ट्रायंगल आल्सो सपोज टू बी सिमिलर बाय द क्राइटेरिया ऑफ साइड एंगल साइड क्राइटेरिया ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी. अंडरस्टैंड? साइड एंगल साइड से हम कह सकते हैं कि बोथ ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. बोथ ट्रायंगल्स यू मस्ट राइट इन दिस ऑर्डर डी एफ. Okay, so these are the three theorems and three concepts which will be coming and roughly used in the coming questions. But priority, I will say this is the main core theorem of the exercise which will be applicable. What we use, suppose दो triangle दे रखे हैं आपको, हाँ, we will compare the two triangles and find two angles of each triangle and make them equal. If they are equal, then the triangles are similar, then the ratios will be determined. Okay, as in some of the questions will be based on this. We will see further. Okay, here we can see the question number 3 of NCERT 6.3. Okay, 6.3. What is given? First read the question in the media. ABCD is a triangle. Okay, ABCD is a trapezium. Trapezium where, as we have shown, AB parallel to CD. We have to prove, and the diagonals intersect at O. We have to prove that, okay, triangle AOB is, we have to prove the ratio AO upon में CO and BO upon में DO. This we have to prove. Okay. If you remember, the same question we have done in the 6.2 also. We will do this question here by very easy method. Proof. हम क्या करेंगे? What we will do? See this. अब हमने ABCD लिया है. अब हम करेंगे क्या? दो ट्रायंगल्स वी विल कंसीडर टू ट्रायंगल्स. कंसीडर ट्रायंगल AOB एंड ट्रायंगल COD. These two triangles we are considering. Since AB parallel to CD, AB and parallel to CD, as we know, if the lines are parallel, what the concepts arises here? If you remember, if two triangles are congruent, if the two lines are parallel, then these are known as alternate angles. Understand? These are the two alternate angles. Similarly, here you see AB and CD are parallel to each other. Therefore, these angles, what I say, these angles must be equal. Call it as a 1 and call this one as a 2. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2 by means of alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle, ये alternate interior angle कहलाता है. Similarly, we have another pair also, 3 and 4 we can say. By the same reason, angle 3 is equals to angle 4 by AIA. Now, as we know, if two angles are same, then the triangles are by angle similarity criteria. We can say these two triangles AOB I have written. Now you must pause here. This is the first question I am taking. That is why I will explain you. Okay. अब हमने क्या कहा, AOB लिखा और कैसे लिखेंगे नीचे में A के corresponding. If you are putting here A first, there is a corresponding angle 4. You see, because 3 and 4 are equal, so in place of A, the vertex C will come first. Okay. Now, in place of B, the B is equals to D, so the vertex D will appear in place of B. So the third vertex is O, so you can put it. Now, this is the order to be careful about. Okay. So, this is the first question, so I am explaining very properly. This is to be taken care. Now, जैसे ही आ गया, अब हम कह सकते हैं कि अब the ratios are proportionate. Ratio proportion में होंगे. So now we can say AO. From here you will say AO and here you will say CO. You need not to see the figure. By here only we can get the ratio of the two triangles. Here BO appear and DO. In that way it is proved. Okay. Here we have the question number 11. What is given? The triangle ABC is isosceles. Isosceles means the two sides are equal. As we know, the equilateral means all the three sides are equal. Whereas the scalene means तीनों साइडें unequal होंगी. Now, the things are given that ABC is isosceles, where AB is equals to AC, है ना? AB और AC equal है, and the perpendiculars also given. AD ये वाली side इस पे perpendicular है, and this one is perpendicular to this. Now we have to prove triangle ABD. ABD is similar to this one. As I told that similarity, to prove similarity, we have to select any two triangles of the both angles which should be equal. And that is not a major difficult task. Let's do. चलिए करते हैं. हम consider करेंगे. Consider what? Triangle ABD and triangle CEF. These two triangles we are considering. Suppose in that ABD, one angle ADB, of course. ADB is equals to ADB is equals to what? EFC. Why? Because both are 90 degree. It is given. Chaliye, one angle we have to get only one more angle. That's it. Okay. Now, as you can see, AB is equals to AC given. Therefore, opposite angle of equal sides are equal. Opposite sides angle must be equal. Therefore, you can say AB or AC are equal. Therefore, the angle B and C also must be equal. Okay. Therefore, if you consider these two aspects, what you see? This one angle, this triangle contain this angle corresponding to the other, और इस triangle का ये एंगल जो है ना, इस ट्रायंगल के इस एंगल के इक्वल हो गया. यू सी, ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल हो गए. Therefore, by angle similarity, we can say the triangles are congruent, similar. ABD. Just write down the question as it is given in that order. Okay, proved. This is just 6th question. You can see here what is given. These things is given. Triangle ABE. See the question properly in the media. okay, ABE, okay, and ACD. These two triangles are congruent. You see, in the 9th class you have studied congruent. Congruent means exactly the same size. The figures are also similar and the size also be the same. Means when you put the one figure in the another will be hide out. आप उसे नहीं देख सकोगे क्योंकि वो exactly same shape के होंगे. कॉन्ग्रुएंसी का मतलब सेम साइज होना है, सिमिलर का मतलब छोटा या बड़ा हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो ADE इज सिमिलर दिस, यू हैव टू प्रूव ADE छोटा ट्रायंगल इज सिमिलर टू द बिगर वन. लेट्स प्रोसीड. प्रूफ. What is that proof? If we see the proof of this, so what is given? Since triangle ABE is congruent to ACD, therefore we can say by CPCT we can say, what is CPCT? Congruent part of congruent triangle, corresponding part of congruent triangle. ठीक है, तो CPCT it means the ratio will be the side will be the same. AB here, therefore it is AC. AB or AC will be equal. Okay, I will do one thing. AB upon में AC. What happens? What will come there? जब हम AC को डिनोमिनेटर लेके आएंगे, not 0, it will be 1. Of course, it's a simple. AB by AC आएगा. Now see the second one. Now we can say AE is equals to AD. From where I am getting A and E, so A and D will be there. This can be also written as AD by AE, AD equal to AE. So get here AE, then you will left with 1. Now from these two, because they both are equals to 1, therefore they are equal to each other. AB by AC is equals to AD by AE. AB by AC is equals to AD by AE. I will write one more step. I am taking AB here, AB by AC. Now AB by AC and AD upon me AE. From what you are getting there, if you can see, we can also say now. Consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADE. I am putting the figure so that you can understand very properly. This is ABC and this is ADE. Okay, now what we say, we have seen the ratio of these two sides is equal to the ratio of two sides in the above. So हम लिखेंगे AB by AC, okay, and AD by AE. Proved above हमने दिखाया. Now one more, angle A is equals to angle A, common angle, because it is the common figure. I put it separately to make you understand. So that is the thing. Now we can apply side angle side by side angle side criteria. We can say the both triangles are ADE is similar to ABC. Because the question is given in that order, you can take a little bit of help from there. Of course, your own logic must be very clear that which vertex should come accordingly in that order. Means which vertex should become in the order of the first triangle. It must be clear to you first. हो गया, प्रूफ हो गया. चलिए, here we have another question. Of course you can see the order is not taking accordingly because the NCERT do not contain the difficulty orders. It do not follow. So हम ऐसे select कर रहे हैं order को जिससे कि आपको difficulty level भी पता चलती रहे. ठीक है ना. ABCD, see the read this question in the media. ABCD is a parallelogram. So I call this one as A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D एक पैरेललोग्राम है. AD side is extended. AD side is extended and this one is joined with this. And this is called as E. Okay, and this one as F. So what is that? What is given? Let us write. Given triangle given ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, and to prove by this much we have to prove that. What is to prove? Triangle ABE. Triangle ABE is similar. ABE is similar to CFB. CFB. This we have to prove. Okay, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. इसमें क्या करना है देखते हैं. Proof. Call it as a proof. AFB. ABE and CFB. These are the two triangles. Of course, this is not so useful and will make you confusion. That's why I am putting a dotted sign here, because that line is not important to you. And one more thing, you should not confuse with that line. That's you can't use because it is inside the given figure. चलिए हम दो बातें करें. Consider triangle ABE and triangle CBF. Well, I can say one thing. Okay, इस triangle का ये angle and the one angle, this angle of this triangle are equal. Why? I am writing, just you guess. BAD is equals to BCF. Why? Because opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. Parallelogram are opposite angle है तो उस parallelogram के these are equals. Okay, we got one angle and we have to search for one more angle. That's it. चलिए देखते हैं. Now AD parallel to BC. Why? Opposite sides of parallelogram. ये तो पैरेलल होते हैं, इक्वल भी होते हैं ऑफ कोर्स. देन वी कैन से AE पैरेलल टू BC. AE पैरेलल टू BC. Okay, by that mean what we can do? Suppose two lines are parallel. Understand? Two lines are parallel and a line joining. This is transversal line, you can say. Then what about these two angles? Consider just ये दोनों एंगल alternate interior angles हैं. These are the alternate interior angles. That's why I am putting here, you see, this angle and this angle. I am marking by 2 bars. This one is bar 1, bar 1. In that way you can recognize which angle is equal to the other angle. So these two angles are equal. Therefore you can say, either name it 1 and 2. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Why? It is alternate interior angle. Therefore we got two angles. You see, we got two angles. Therefore by angle similarity, we can say that triangle ABE, the first triangle you can write in any order irrespective of the given question. Of course we have to take care because we have to prove that. Okay, ABE is given. ABE written we have. Now take A and find the corresponding angle. Corresponding angle is C, sir. That's why you have to write C. I told previously also that is of course given. You can just write it or just you can copy, but you have to get your own self. So CF. Now C. E के प्लेस में हमारे पास B है तो E के प्लेस में B आएगा तो the third vertex automatically you have to fill. In this way we got the 4 easy questions of this exercise. Of course not so all are easy. You definitely you will get a message from this video what we will have to send you. अंडरस्टैंड। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि ये सब आने के बाद आपको इस एक्सरसाइज के, इस कॉन्सेप्ट के क्लियरिटी हो गई होगी, ठीक है। तो इस वीडियो से, इस क्वेश्चन से यहीं समाप्त करते हैं इस वीडियो को। तो अगर ये आपको वीडियो पर्पसफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आगे की वीडियोस को भी आप टाइमली देख सको, ठीक है। एग्जाम्स नज़दीक आ रहे हैं तो अच्छे वर्कआउट करने की ज़रूरत है। यू हैव टू वर्कआउट सो लॉट एंड डू practice regularly. It makes you more confident, understand? So be happy with the practice, enjoy while you do read, understand? So प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और करते रहिए, बने रहिए मेरे आगे के वीडियोस को, और सब वीडियोस को देखें और सर्कुलेट करें। प्लीज़ मेक ए कमेंट, आप कमेंट करते हो तो हमें बहुत अप्रिशिएशन मिलती है, ठीक है। आप कमेंट करें, जो भी दिक्कत है, जो डिमांड है, पुट ए कमेंट ऑन द कमेंट बॉक्स. It makes me so motivating, understand? So all the best, मिलते हैं।